Hello guys, it's time for making 2025 our best year. So let's start with me. First of all, I was divided my vlog into three parts. First part was related to cleaning and second part was related to self care and health, and it also includes some workout exercise and everything that include in self-care. So our third and most important part was study, how to manage our studies, because mostly people who watch my vlogs are teenagers. They also going to colleges and schools and they do not know how to manage their 2025 study routine. And so let's start our part 1. Today we are going to clean, organized and refresh our environment that boost our productivity and peace of mind. Let's start it. So first of all, I was clean my cupboard because it was very unorganized. I was organized my old things, my clothes into it, and now it's time for cleaning my cupboard baskets. And in this baskets I was organized all my stationery in this yellow basket, and I was allot this yellow basket for my stationery. I put all my pens into this basket, and now it's time for cleaning my nails basket. In this basket I was put my nails, my nail paints and my extraordinary things that I was not wanted to tell you. So and this is my jewelry basket. It's blue basket and I was allotted for my jewelry. After that I was organized my drawers. In these drawers I was also put on my all stationery and some other things. And it's time for clean up my room. So I was clean deeply my room. And now we are going toward our third part, which is self-care. So I was taking shower daily and doing workout regularly on 7 p.m. and I was put my water bottle closer to my bed. I using keratin for my hair after my hair wash, and also I use keratin before my hair wash, and I use MAC face wash. And I was use this baby lotion because you know that in baby lotion there was no chemical was include. I also use this small aloe vera gel for my face, and this is my lotion in which and I also use this glowing cream for on my face. And I was clean my all room. And now we are going to drinking milk, because you know that drinking milk is very important for girls and boys both, but especially girls can drink milk because it's strong their body. And this is my vision board, which some people use vision board on their walls, because but not, I was not doing this. I was use my vision board on my wallpaper, so it's better help me for remembering. So it's I was wanted those things, so I was applied on this wallpaper, and my room is clean. You can see that it's very satisfying. After that I was seeing cartoon with my best friend, my small brother. So after that and now it's a most important part of our vlog, which is study. And if you wanted to creating a motivational study timetable, you can for staying focused and disciplined as you can prepare for exams. Here a detail, I was giving you a detailed timetable for this, and stay motivated and engaged with me. First of all, you can wake up at 7:30 and doing some exercise for 30 minutes. After that, you can going for fresh up and eat breakfast at 7:30 to 8, and then you was going to study for 8 to till 10. This is your first study session. After that, you can take a short break for stretch and hydrated, and after that you can study 10:15 to 12:15. This is your study session 2, and after that you can going some walk and seen some movie, but it was only for 15 minutes to fresh your mind. And then it's time for lunch, and after eating lunch you was going to your study table and again study from 1 to 3, and this is your 3 study session, third study session. And after that you can take 3 to 3:15 some break and till study from 3:15 to 5:15, and then you can also take some break and eat some snacks, and then you was also going to your study fifth session, that is from 5:30 to 7:30, and it's you can study physics, maths, like numerical subjects, and then you was going for dinner until study from 8 to. So bye bye, it's our end.